I'm Hanna. It's April 2021, and today we're talking about service. Service is a key part of SJII International, and this week we have a couple of big events happening at our school. One of them, Earth Week, is our chance to raise awareness about urgent issues facing planet Earth. And our Lapathon is where we raise money for students in Sri Lanka. Earlier, I caught up with some students and staff to find out a bit more about these two important events. Why are we all running here today?
Because it's a Lapathon, and the Lapathon is where we're raising funds for a school in Sri Lanka.
What are some things you are thankful for in your life?
Having food to eat and water to drink and being able to go to a school.
What are some things you are thankful for in your life?
Food, water, a family, and a home.
What would you like to say to the students in Sri Lanka?
We hope the money we raise today will help you.
Can you please tell us a bit about Earth Week?
Well, Earth Week is a celebration of where we try and do our best to protect the planet.
And what are you doing yourself to help the Earth?
Well, I'm participating in the various challenges during Earth Week, such as Meatless Monday, where I have to eat a meal that is meatless. Transportation Tuesday, where we try and lower our carbon emissions by not using cars, maybe taking public transport. Water Wednesday, by saving water and helping not to waste that such a precious resource. Trashy Thursday, where we recycle all pieces of trash. And last but not least, Civic Friday, where we do whatever we can to help.
With the year off to a great start, and this week in particular, being busy with service activities, we caught up with Mr. Cumming, the head of service, to find out a bit more about what's in store for service this year.
Service is a very important part of any school because we can learn so many values and skills through service project-based learning.
How can staff and students find out more and get involved?
For anyone in the school, service starts with something you're interested in. Don't wait for a project to come to you. Think about something that you're passionate about, something that you enjoy, and find opportunities to go out and help. So, for example, if you enjoy working with animals, ask your parents if they could take you to a local pound or an animal shelter, and perhaps there's opportunities for you to do that. And don't forget, service doesn't have to be a big thing. It doesn't have to be a big project. All of those small things count as acts of service.